Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. On today's comedy, expect more banger from Crity React, like you're going to see funny bros, nasty Blaq, and lots more comedy on this comedy compilation. Without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy compilation, Joe. Let's go!
I'm looking for veteran.
He no day.
Sorry, I just wanted to give him food. But since he's not around, I can come back later.
What do you mean? They're actually dancing.
Hello, showboy. You get person go come house come find me. I say I know the country. I know they around. But the person bring food for you. She bring food. Now my ex be that too. Yeah. But I know it am. Come on, wait. Yeah. I know.
Hey, how is it going to happen? Like,
oh, you don't finish, oh.
my phone
I don't want to die with this. Madam, you get it,
No.
This is sad. Somebody help Ojuku Blaq.
Bros, you get it, wait, give me one small one. Ojuku.
That's how I die, you.
Solo.
Really sad. Like, let's see this one from Dinosaur God. Epic. Let's go. Play me this song.
Then I fast.
PMS. Dino.
Oh my God. Wait, now wait how you do?
Now wait how they do.
Wait how you do like they say you stay Lagos.
I swear.
So where you come they stay for the Lagos?
Mama's not far from you. Mama's there around. I don't even close. Just wait, make I just clear this so that we just go my side.
Oh yeah, now I book right before you come.
Right. I get pens of blood.
Is it possible for a waiter to do the best? Like, we're going to know the kind of waiter job you do. You must tell us.
Can you get this house?
All of my
One of your house. Baba. Show me way. How you did it, do one?
No wahala. Tomorrow.
Let there be tomorrow. I can't wait, like, just like that, selling food for people and earning that huge amount of money, even to get a Benz for yourself. You must show me. I swear.
Your bill, sir.
550,000
Yes, sir.
for 2 plates.
I don't want peace.
That's much now.
Come on, babe. This is Lagos Island. Everything is cost.
22. 548.
Bring that guy. Nothing less than 400,000.
You don't trust me.
Cents. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
I think it's going to
Sam, your B. 800,000.
Nala.
If I go missing, now you. If you go missing, no be me. I'm not gang affiliated.
I am looking for a waitering job. I want to become a waiter. If this is how they get it clear in Lagos, well, let's forget about that. See, David P. Goliath on this one. And the stone has been thrown by David. The stone has been
David wants to kick Goliath into one stone. Oh my God.
The stone is still coming.
David, how sure are you that catapult will kill Goliath?
If not bad, I go bet on Goliath win.
I go play him David win.
David wins.
David, is that not your ass?
David, I miss you so much. I brought the person for you. Hope you will like.
Hey!
David,
Hope you will like one.
David.
They play. Me, as a David, I am waiting for my stone that I've thrown for a very long time to arrive at Goliath's head. And you want to give me pepper soup so that.
David, hope you target Goliath for head.
Yes, father. Netitishi. Like father, like son.
The only time you use catapult. Leave it. I'm the last born.
Land nigga.
What you say, Charlie boy? So I'm moving to Charlie boy. Now I'm moving.
My God. Like the stone is still going, not yet arrived. Like what's going on 40 years later right now? And the stone is still coming. When will he eat the forehead of Goliath? When? Indian movie, Indian David and Goliath, now almost different. Let's play me the sound. Let's go. Hit me with the sound. Push. Yes, later.
You know Daddy shoots catapult to that.
Move.
They actually born twins. Funny bros give birth to twins. Like, and it was finally, it arrived. Hey! Of Goliath. So when they don't choose. Now they arrived. They don't even want it.
As you all know, David killed Goliath with one stone. Now, guess what?
Muno too much.
How much is this catapult?
Our catapult is 30 million.
Alright, there's some news that all these bloggers are not even supposed to share.
They are not supposed to share it at all. Does it mean if David used catapult to kill Goliath, catapult will now be
You guys wasted time now.
Baba, no vex.
So we're just shoot, right?
Yes.
Let's go.
I'm a girl to do so I tell you don't you carry.
Your parents just do mistake.
Why you guys not?
Jesus.
Hello, I'm not feeling this vibe. I need romance. Grab your wife. Yeah. Do you understand? Grab your wife. Let's go.
Now this one I like.
What if I'm not feeling this vibe now? Come. Let me show you something. Okay, watch me. This is your wife. Grab her. You understand what I mean?
Baby, what's the meaning of it? Please don't start. Let the young man do his job. Please, I want to go home.
I don't have time. Come on.
No, you're let them below you.
Now I want to see passion. Show me how much you love your wife. I want to feel it. Let's go. Oh, I'm not feeling this vibe.
I'll be Blaq.
Jesus!
Somebody's wife.
If I hear say you die now, people dey cry say you die. I'm not going to ask the what kill you because I don't say last my envy.
Passion! I will all run enter the
Now we don't succeed. Carry this money come for bank. Wait till we get inside this bag. Now 150 million. And I know say now only 3 of us succeed for this journey. We go share this money 50 million naira each person. But the problem with it now be say our face don't cast for our side. Who will help us carry this money go back and go deposit for our accounts?
Will you bring this person?
Blaq, no! We not fit bring new person for this place. The person will cast us. Now share this money cash to cash.
Say no more.
Nothing juju be
For I am here with you people. It's me, Papi Jagaban, aka the beast from the east. I don't knock short. I don't do things that you see me. My hand don't clap. If I talk, woman will carry belly, picking will carry for belly, they jump up. I am retired, but I am not tired. I am here to help you people. I want to join you people now. Because then talk say, now where you no stop, now where another person continue. So I want join you now. I want them more rugged. Mama, jump inside! Jump inside! Jump inside! I feel your way! Jump inside! Oh, you do your head!
Shot.
Push line.
And they deliver past Hebrew women.
This guy get motivation, morale.
I say I don't knock short. So we are the day before my name na Nakana. If I dey knock, they enter. Where they know they knock, I dey knock there.
Aboki, I can see say your morale high. But your first mission, you see that bag we did there? Go deliver this goods for us. Which goods? You go carry this money. This is what that money we did there. 150 million. Can I go deposit for our accounts? Go deposit 50 from our accounts. You go deposit 40 for this guy account. Deposit 40 for this one. Then carry the balance as your share.
Oh man, don't trust this guy, yo. I also ain't gonna betray us.
Yes. Where the money there?
See, man, tell you, this game no be bombile. I hope say you guy.
I say a guy pass any other person.
You see this man where the trend where they talk say na 400 women. Na me give am more.
Everybody will hear me. Come and go give you the money.
Move.
How do you want God to punish you?
Hey, where the money make I go deliver am?
Inside your head.
Let's go deliver the money.
Take. This is 150 million naira. Confirm am. Hey! No worry, calm down. You don't believe Abi? Yes. Now 150 million are inside here. Take this one. This one is for your protection. You go carry and go bank. Go use one. Go your side, anything solve. No. Do you hear me? What are you? You go call your number and give my boy. So I go forward you details.
001 002 419 zombie number.
Confirm. Now go deliver the job.
Okay. No wahala.
Wait! Okay. You knock me short! So you know I don't guide!
Hey, you don't enter. Okay, if you like say God here, show.
For throw me overboard, just like that. If carry the money wrong. You don't even come, you won't betray us. Where you? Reduce your height. Reduce your height.
I don't know say on I God here, she for my.
Go down. Where you? Reduce your height.
I not God here, she leave all this stuff while they come here. Nothing there my body, I bet no test. Knock a shot.
And this particular shot will definitely penetrate him. This guy is just a nobody. He doesn't even have liver to do anything. Let's see the next one. Famous and short.
Are you aware that Man United is better than Chelsea? Now why I don't like to follow you up with this? Where am you there for table? Talking about
table. So this is where you are, and I've been calling you. You didn't answer.
Babe, can't you see I'm having a conversation with my friend? I'm coming.
You are coming. Will you get inside and wash those plates for me?
Yeah! Alpha, babe, relax now. I dey come. Alpha, guy, I don't understand you. Now you be the man, and she be the man for this house.
I wonder.
So if you understand our love language.
Love language?
I said inside now.
Guy, Alpha.
Yeah! Go.
Bro, I'm not happy. Wait here. The way you gave it to you yesterday, I don't like her. You see that matter? Yes, now. This is my girlfriend, eh? And I love this girl so much. We just love each other. Bro, you get what they happen and only tell me. I won't just focus they play.
Babe,
she don't come.
I need you to wash these pants urgently. They are not as much as I want them.
Babe, can't you see I'm playing FIFA with my guy?
I said I need these pants now.
Babe, please now.
Now!
I can't down. What's going on? Now you need my guy, my guy they date you. After guy, what did they solve?
Who is this fake China speaker screaming in my house?
Beg, I'm not your boyfriend. No girl ever talk to me like that. Even my girlfriend cannot talk to me like that.
Babe, I don't like this your hair. How much will it take to get a new haircut?
Babe, it's 5K.
Just go back to where you come from. What was your own?
I sent you 1.5 million.
So what?
Give this lousy parrots 500,000 and keep 1 million for yourself.
Nah, lie.
So do you now understand this relationship?
Jesus!
That shall not kill you. What would you do if you're the one? If you're the one, what would you do? Like, are you going to actually wash that panties? Like, wash it with your friend? Man, I will do 500.
Fine, girl.
Fine, then go front and no order for taxi.
Sister, calm down now. No, the quarrel now. I just want to help you come up for song. I don't even want your number, save. I don't even want to see.
You sure?
Nah, I just want to help you.
Girl, love.
Sorry for the way I spoke to you the other time. I was in a bad mood.
Everybody's in a bad mood in Nigeria, I understand.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
We don't know why. I think I'll stop here, yeah.
Okay, my pack, eh?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hey, sister, your money is 10,500.
What do you mean? But you said you just wanted to offer me a lift now.
Sister, there's nothing free in Freetown, eh? I'm a taxi driver, and this is what I used to feed my family, eh?
Shit, I don't go pay for yet.
Yes, you said you're going to take me for free.
Okay. Amado here, you don't hear that now. She no want pay. So anything we want to do, I make you do her, eh?
Amadioa, on top how much? Call your account.
22.
Agbako na ya enter today.
555.
Cents. God go punish you.
Punish you too.
You no go better for you.
See your blow yan for you too.
I blamed the girl, like I blamed her so much. How would you talk to a man like that? And the man actually, first of all, wants to toast her due to the way she responded. Just follow the girl. I swear, let's see this Mr. Stingy.
Hello, good afternoon. I need a surprise package. I need you to write, will you marry me on a plate and bring it for us? Do you understand?
Of course.
Jesus.
Of course.
Boss?
Well, no problem. How much is it?
50,000.
Take it.
Of course. Now that one,
What's this? I don't understand.
You will marry me.
Jesus! You brought me here to embarrass me. I don't understand. See, I'm done with this relationship and I'm out of here.
No, wait. Wait.
Who are married never satisfied? Like,
Waitress!
Oh God. You're not the boss,
What's this nonsense? What is you will marry me?
But sir, there's nothing wrong there, sir.
Hey! No, not call me your manager. You are not serious. Come me your manager.
When I take a step, you hear bang.
You're the manager, right? I told your staff to write, will you marry me for me? Look at the nonsense she wrote. Now my wife to be has gone. What is Colette now? Colette? Look at the emu.
God help me now that day.
Come, hold down. There are customers everywhere. I will refund you and I will add extra.
I said praise the Lord.
Oh, but can you see the smile? No, just take a look at the smile. Like, there is joy when he heard 50,000 will be refunded to him. This guy is very stingy. It's just all about the money. Not even the engagement and who left. Who won't go me go. I'm concerned about the money. About trekking with the beans. Bread and beans. No go let them see road. Because he can't do juju for sacrifice or about trekking. Go chop beans.
Clapper for Jesus. Clapper for Jesus. Clapper for Jesus. If not be Jesus Christ, where they won't belong? I wonder.
Jesus.
Inside food, they drink.
Jesus! Jesus is Lord.
Rubbish. We're gonna eat it together.
Lakaka. After blood. Nakarin. Okay. Nakarin.
What is it mean knock me?
So men knock you ring.
Why go knock me ring? I ring the cut the fight.
Nakarin.
Would you be ring? No be blow. I go say me blow me back. Which are men knock me ring?
You not get straight to blow you. Nakarin.
Bro to bro, you go say me blow me back. No be me knock me ring.
Now like you get power pass and I ring you go tell knock you.
Neighbor,
yes.
I beg no verse. If you do small favor for me,
Waiting with that.
I beg. I want make you give me small Garry. You read for me. I beg.
Okay, that will not be problem now. Yeah, I deal with this one now.
Neighbor, thank you so much. God will bless you.
Bless you too. Anytime, my bro.
Neighbor, I beg no verse. Breakfast no day this morning. If you help me with small Garry.
Okay, no wahala.
You beg Garry, oh my guy. Like,
Neighbor, thank you so much.
No wahala. Hey, wait, you don't need sugar.
Sugar? No, I go drink it like this.
Yeah, if you say so.
Neighbor, well done, no.
I hear no.
Neighbor, you go so I don't today bother you. I beg. Na still Garry carry me come.
No. You na my guy now. Besides, you be my neighbor. You get. I know say you go come again because this Garry why they give you every time say so too small. I no sure say they reach anywhere for you. Now why I coordinate this one pint of Garry for you.
Jesus! Oh my God!
Thank you so much.
No wahala.
Neighbor, God will continue to bless you.
No wahala.
Favor go follow you.
That you're just eating Garry.
I like this
Garry
appreciation
money.
wey you give. I appreciate am. I'll double another pint of Garry for you.
shit.
Thank you so much.
Slim Blaq is very wicked. This is the reason why he has been giving this guy Garry. He knows he's go blind. He wants him to go blind.
Jesus, my brain want blow.
Iwundu. I don't know what is going on today. I say make I blend small tomato where I want to take arrange stew. But the one see this shock. From nowhere I was shocked beyond repair. Apart from that, today has been so messed up. Since I woke up, everything has been going negative. I broke up with my babe this morning. I was supposed to achieve several goals this morning. I didn't even have any single energy to achieve anything. Like everything has just been going to the left. Even the content I posted today, 7 hours, 2 views. 2 views! Did I wake up from the wrong side of the bed?
The first action you take in the morning is very important. What was the thoughts going through your mind when you woke up this morning?
When I woke up this morning, I had several thoughts going through my mind.
Shoot back on 10. Boy, go back, Igasa, Quaneferi, Mawig, Listen, also quite no crocodile juice. It's a quite social media.
So I chose social media. Yes, the first thing I did was to take my phone and I scrolled through social media.
You focused on the thought of social media.
So how does that got to do with what I'm passing through?
What kind of content did you engage in?
I went through some of the highlights on blogs. Don Jazzy donates 100 million to NGO. Nasboy wins Grammy. Expert Comedy buys 3 mansions in Dubai.
So how did you feel after going through the highlights?
I had the option to choose either of these feelings.
Anger, joyful, sadness, depression, mood swing, motivation, love.
So what happened next?
So I had to drop a negative comment.
Why did you choose a negative comment instead of a positive comment?
I was feeling insecure now.
The moment you placed your focus on envy and jealousy, you changed your reality. You are the observer of your thoughts and not the voice that speaks them.
Is that the reason why everything has been going negative? Because I shifted my focus to the negative.
Yes, you get more of where you place your focus. The moment you chose the negative, then you allow access to more negative thoughts.
When will I buy my own mansion? Will I ever make it in this life? No matter what I do, I'm always a failure.
The jealousy led to depression, and then you lost motivation and energy.
Is that the reason why?
Yes.
How?
When you're angry and sad, you hardly notice the beauty of your surroundings. It's difficult to think straight. You transfer aggression.
Bitch, I'm breaking up.
You feel sick and lose appetite. What you feel on the inside reflects on the outside.
Are you trying to say that our thought controls our reality?
Yes.
Because I was full of energy when I woke up. All of a sudden, everything just drained.
Because you invested your productive energy into negative thoughts.
So the negativity was sucking away my energy.
Your thoughts led to the feelings.
But I don't have control over my thoughts.
You do.
So how do I control my thoughts? Because I keep having the same kind of thoughts every day.
The human brain operates like social media. It has a search history of all your favorite thoughts. And those thoughts are recommended to you daily. So the first step of taking control is to become aware of your thoughts without reacting to it. The next step is to change your thinking pattern from what you're used to what adds value to your life.
I must achieve every goal of mine. Nothing can stop me. Every challenge is a stepping stone. I am more powerful than I realize. Fear is just an illusion.
The more you change your thoughts through meditation, your brain becomes aware of the new pattern.
What else?
You attract people, experiences, events, and patterns based on your internal state.
What else?
Your thoughts and feelings cannot be controlled by anyone or anything except you.
So what else?
Finally, you become the God and creator of your reality because you have control over your external and internal world.
Thank you, Iwundu.
The reason why I love this man's comedy is because he don't just give comedy without passing a great value onto his audience. Like, if you know you enjoy this comedy, just type in the comment, I enjoyed exploit comedy, so that I will know how many of you that enjoy it, so that I'll keep posting this comedy in my compilation video. Let's see this one from Agent of Laughter, always acting like always. In fact, wait. I don't know, maybe we have dealt with him in the past. Always acting about them. I don't really understand. Well, I'm going to see what's going to happen right now here in this video. Let's go. Voila. What?
They tell you, play this game over 2.5, you go enter. Man, I tell you, as far as say man you did this game don't count.
What you dey talk?
I no go lie for you now. Chai. Neighbor.
Yeah.
Chai. Sorry, you. I hear say you know where.
Yes.
Quick recovery.
You dey tell person wey comot belle quick recovery.
Don't be me talk about. Jesus, hi, he can't work like who get malaria.
Two men.
Hello, babe. Where are you now?
I just landed at the airport.
Okay.
I'm going to the palace.
Palace?
Nice, babe.
Yes, the palace. Don't you know my father is a king?
I didn't know.
It's okay.
My princess.
I don't like to talk too much.
Voila. When you get home, just call me.
Okay, baby.
Bye.
Which you don't get changed? Give me my 15 naira, make I come up for you.
Hi, babe.
Baby, go to.
Would you like to eat anything?
No, I'm okay.
I insist. I'll be right back, okay?
A good girl will do everything.
So I want you to eat and tell me if you like it. Hold on. I think there's someone at the door.
Okay.
Problem.
Hello, babe. Meet my sister Amanda. Amanda, meet my man. Jesus. Sid.
Amanda. Who are you? Hey.
Women.
Hey guys, bet on one is bet and get 1,000 bonus.
Is this not the same Amanda that said
Register on bet my
he's a king's daughter, like a princess, and this a mumu man is calling her my princess? And this was a liar. All of them are liars. They both made.
Are you there? Are you there?
My rap they make girls shout wah wah chihuahua. No.
Wah wah chihuahua.
My flows. My flows they make banners shout wah 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 chihuahua.
Wah wah wah.
Open mouth wah. Let go beast. I eat the beats. You can call me Akin the beat. Guy, I'm bad. Don't worry, I'm bad.
Hold on, Papa. Let's have it.
I don't see where you can finally use your talent. Where?
What's this up?
You get one street rapping competition with day, and the winner they go home with 20 million naira.
20 million naira?
Yes.
For this time?
Yes.
They know me. The best rapper of all time.
Don't worry yourself. Save this energy for that day. But the issue with the guy say to raise it at 2 million.
2 million?
Yes.
Chai, you won't get 2 million. I know what to do.
I know what to do. Come. Uncle, please just give me this money now. The money is 2 million naira. Give it to me. Take that piece of land that my father left to me before he died. I want to use that money to change my musical career. Can't you channel this into something else? Must it be music every time? Do you know how much we've given you over time, even before your father died? Look, Papa. I'm going to give you that money, but don't go and squander it in something that you will not come back again and tell me, Uncle, this one happened, that one happened, though. I don't want to know where you are going, but wherever it is you are going this time around, let it be the last bus stop. Look, Papa. In a nonsense, I will give it to you. I have your account details. I will send it to you. Anything you want to do, this is the last chance.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. You will not disappoint you, sir.
That's how they continue to talk.
This is the
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the monthly rap competition. I remain your host, Undoka. Please put your hands together for a wonderful sound. You all know that this is a competition we do at the end of every month to discover new talent in the street. This month's competition, we're having only 2 contestants, and the winner will be going home with the sum of 20 million naira and our sponsor had decided to add a brand new car from Yankee Import, which is one of the best car dealing brand in Nigeria. Guess what? Yankee Import cars from UK and US. Once you make a deposit of 70%, in 4 to 5 weeks they bring your car into Nigeria, you balance up 30% and the car is yours. Trust me, their car is durable, high quality, and so sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to reach out to Yankee Import, call the number on the screen or reach them on Instagram. If you know you're happy, make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, our first contestant is a very phenomenal artist, a spontaneous rapper, a creative rapper, a king in the music industry. They call him Olupapa. He's the king of rap in the South, the king of Rumokoro, the #1 in Rumokoro flyover. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Olupapa.
Singing and making it, rigging and making it, boo. I kill your mama, kill your papa, kill everything, boo. Forget about my culture. Rap is my culture. I didn't rap like vulture. Ooh, amateur.
Ladies and gentlemen, I told you Olupapa was going to blow your mind. The next contestant is the greatest of all time. He doesn't need the money, he doesn't need the car, he doesn't need the fame. I don't know why he's here, but he wants to show love to people in the streets. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the best, he's the biggest to ever do it. Laskini tested, Port Harcourt tested, Abuja tested, UK tested. He's undisputed, he has been gratified, he has been certified in the rap game. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make some noise for the wave of the moment, Wasiudbadguy, aka Dandizi.
Not lie. Dandizi for this competition. Not lie. Dandizi don't be part of this competition. Dandizi don't be part of the competition at grassroots. I don't go get
Yeah, I come with the investor flow. If you copy Sabi news, who want battle with Dandizi, you be like say you Sabi lose. But your papa and your mama go chop them like a father, go scatter on your head. It go be like you be like scammer. Waves that they don't come, all the haters to one mad. They scatter their body, the beats, it be like Nama. They come around the corner like say I become mad. They think this sweet like say when you're banning, they chop the shawarma. See now waves that it be this. Anybody wish you shot, he go miss. This freestyle be like saying a new release. Who be that? Well, now me be this. Waves that when I freestyle, you say I know they beats. Waves that content.
And Pokoli to compete.
I didn't know something. When I rap you, I insult them.
I said it. It's nothing to write home about. He's still losing on home soil. It's quite unfortunate. Biggie boo. Won't we get about? I've bought your land.
But the uncle actually wished him well. He was the one who messed the whole thing up. Like, he messed it up. So from Futurize and Kana guy, we actually know what's going on.
Doctor, what's going on? What's going on? Sir, your son need a kidney transplant. So what do we do now? You don't have anybody that can donate his or her kidney for him, so I don't mind giving the person 50 million. Sir, I don't have anyone. Your son have just 2 hours left.
I don't want trouble.
I found Miraj. I want to discharge one patient now. They don't get cash. Say now beat the BTC gets. What's with your plug that time?
ROBM fast exchange. You very soon. Then they buy and sell anything cryptocurrency. If not gift card, they get make trade down with them. Anything as far as they involve cryptocurrency matter, me leave out for them. Now them be the sharpest. Their payments fast. Their rates are so sweet. So now I send you their phone number for test message. Okay. I don't send that give you.
Not for you.
Okay.
Okay, doctor, see, if I don't mind, even if the person is a smoker, I don't mind to give that person 2 tyres of canna.
That's it.
This is a lie. This is a lie. This cannot happen. Like, there is no way this can happen in this whole wide world. Because of canna, you donate kidney for somebody and rejected 50 million. I beg. It's funny, but it cannot happen. It cannot happen.
Because I be the year my name, none of the pharmacies. Okay. What's up now? How you doing? I bet no best I go shit.
You don't get Zaza.
I don't get Zaza. I don't Kai Zaza. I don't Kai Zaza again. No, I beg. I go let you know now. Anything we be like say, I know they sell for here. Man, I not smoke am. Not be you got dinner, go buy another. You got this fresh like this. I beg, I don't need that for my cartel. I beg go. No wahala, make I sit down here. I get normal igbo and normal. Yes, sir.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Okay. I need some bees, bro.
Bees.
Yeah, you have some bees? I need some bees.
I don't know what they talk. I know they say.
I mean some canned bees, bro. You have some canned bees?
Could be cannabis now.
I don't know anything they talk. We know they sell bees.
Yeah, some cannabis.
They know they say anything for yeah. You look like say that they say we just sit down your.
What the fuck you talking about, bro?
When they come out for yeah, cannabis with that one.
Well, this guy look like suspect. Mona small. Why they see that guy? They fear.
The guy know they use be cannabis. You don't hear the name before.
And they say cannabis.
Yeah, they smoke a bad they do. Well, let's you that man.
Who be that?
Baron. So why you not gonna tell to my brother? So why you not get waiting come back?
Now your brother.
You don't know say na my brother.
I don't know say na your brother na true. He come here, they speak English. They speak English or cat. They say want to buy some bees. And they say bees.
You don't know say na my brother will come for UK. You why you go to speak?
What are you talking about, bro? I told you I need some bees, bro. Some canned bees.
They say they say bees here.
Now English where you speak, now let them not even give you self. Why you go to speak English or cartel? I beg give me canal. Can I come back?
And I know you the talk. Which I call be can bees. Up say no be credit to.
Give me the money.
Now pass on I want use.
Get pants now they come cartel. Get pants they come cartel. I beg give me.
You don't want to buy any your brother like them for this.
Okay, you do fast job. Come took away they withdraw since they waste person time.
I be na insufficient for. Come on for the abeg make person withdraw money.
What I do now? Right, just say money dey this time.
$1 on the right.
What I do fast now? No time now.
Jesus, international criminal.
Why guys waste my time now?
Oh my God! And they actually stole the money before he left. Oh, there's no way they can see that money, and this one is already in trouble because there's no way you can suspect that guy that just steal the money like that big head, bicycle seat head. He stole the money. I swear. God.
What you the thief? This one no be Obio. Man na thief, no be Obio.
You still have the mouth to say shake me after everything. That shake me will shake your head. You say Obio the thief. How can Obio steal? You cannot even see Obio now.
Well done, abeg bros. I fit just manage plug for inside your house, abeg.
Chairman, space no deal. Everywhere they occupied now.
Abeg now, bros. You see this national grid all collapse again. I don't know who they faint the guy. Abeg. See, now me and my babe, see. Eh?
Hi. Please let us charge our phone, please.
Okay, now no wahala.
You are a trust.
What the man do man? Because of woman you win.
Okay.
You charge phone, I know where to carry go. Oh, sorry.
E-bang.
What's going on here?
Babe, let's go.
But why now?
Let's go.
Could you touch him again?
Don't worry, Nepa will bring the light. Let's go. Let's go.
Your baby's already enjoying her.
Correct. Babe, correct. I swear, but I make everybody hiding, babe. Cause don't start.
Breaking news. Rumor has it that a young man named Mr. Six has been going around the community everybody's wife.
Greet your husband for me, yeah?
The guy has been down with everything called female.
This Ghana Iwundu has been fuck regular, fuck VAT, all of us.
Yeah, don't send anybody, Papa.
I mean, yes, every woman in the community. No woman has been left out.
Oh, for what? Yes.
Me.
Ah.
Anyways, that'll be all for now. Bye. It's not true.
And the boyfriend is the one even videoing him talking the news. Why would you even? Why will you say?
Congratulations, my man.
Thank you so much.
I'm happy for you.
I said, I buy 2 plots, I begin build small.
Nice one.
See them. Small land where I buy village food don't come.
Who is that?
Small congratulations where you show me in a village food don't come. That's my auntie.
Village people can fast.
But I fast past them. Come on there, they see you. Come on there.
Village people can fast.
Come on there. Ah, no flog. I'm alone in the head and I come outside. Fast. You and you every time. Go for work, idiot.
Limau.
Church gate.
Brother Solo going to church every Sunday. We all know that whenever he's going to church on Sunday, he must encounter or run into one problem or.
Mama, check the plug. What kind of issue is this one now? This early Sunday morning.
Plug where I put yesterday done that. Mama, verse na plug go. Ma query Johnson abeg. I dey come now. Ma buy plug for Johnson. No verse, no verse.
I'm late for church.
Don't go on.
Hey, look at, see. If not that you are a child, we would have dealt with you and lock you up in the station. What is this rubbish you are doing?
Like daddy.
Eh? Is the audacity for me? Nah.
God beg now. No bitter. Now small picking. I beg.
This one, small picking. At this age, see what this small picking they do.
When a child is bad, they will say it's the mother. But when a child is good, they'll say it's the father. Look at it now. Look at this child now, this age. Look at what he has become. Look at what his father has turned him into.
If this boy grow up with this character now, Baba, now nuisance so.
So tell me what this child will become when he grows up.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, Father Solomon.
Sister Sandra.
How are you? I'm fine.
Happy Sunday.
Same to you.
I have not been able to come to church for the past 4 years. Yes. So being in church today, I am very happy and excited. My enemies, they failed and God has disgraced them. See me, church. Hallelujah. Where are you going to?
I want to go and buy olive oil for Pastor Nicholas.
Okay.
Brother Solomon, I'm happy to see you.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you later. Come in, okay? Daddy, help me. Daddy, help me.
What is going on here now? What's the problem?
So this is your father? Sir, you're a very useless man.
What do you mean by that?
You are a shame to fatherhood. In fact, you have failed your generation. Oga, as cute as you are, so you are a thief. Big one. A very big one at that.
Ouch.
To the extent you are even teaching this innocent boy how to steal. Taking him for your jobs when you are going for your robbery.
Oga, see, the beat will not beat this small boy. We go beat robbery. You, hand over to the police. So that when you reach us, this boy go don't say, wait till you teach him. Now bad thing. No, this is a mistaken identity. I don't know this boy. I'm on my way to church this morning. I don't. Okay, if you see,
Oh, may God never allow us to encounter what we cannot deny, trouble that we cannot deny, or allegation that we cannot deny. Because these ones, in fact, the thugs, the people.
Girl, you need somebody. Somebody will go.
No need to advise this guy today. Don't go like this.
Well, the next question is, Enya, you know, saying I don't ask all the relationship questions. The next question when you go ask Nana, how many picking you want born? How you take no? Me, even the scripture said it. Paul, I know. doing what I know. I did put that money. Tutupa.
In case you want to ask me how many children I'm going to give to you, although I've not experienced it, they told me it's painful. I'm thinking 2 is okay.
2 is fine. 2 is fine. Well, actually, the question I wanted to ask you was, when was your last relationship?
Oh.
I don't chop out. And he changed the question, but no panic. Maintain your steez. Tell us in 1 year.
The last guy broke my heart like 12 years ago. And since then, I've been celibate. Jay! Waiting for the right man. Aww.
President of the street. Ambassador of the ghetto.
You know, there's something about you. To see guests where they keep to themselves, then they knock here. Not connection, no.
Can say that again.
But I thank God for meeting you.
I'm sure she's telling you the truth.
Your husband there they tell me say make I help and do it. I even calm down say help and do the ever. Your pikin there they tell me make I wash. Me not being supposed to wash this.
Husband.
What kind of nonsense with this one now? I don't understand.
Wait.
You should have do the hand.
What?
Mommy, want this small girl.
Hey!
Want this your pikin? Which kind of nonsense with this one now? But this girl don't see me finish. Me and Anna we be mate.
Like there is one devil trying to poison somebody's drink there.
Excuse me. Mommy. Who be your mama? Where on papa?
Yes.
What? How old are you?
10.
Wait. You say you did celibate for the past 12 years?
Celibate. What are we celebrating?
What is going on here?
Hey, Mama Stars, which kind of nonsense be this one? See, all these your children, you need to warn them. See, you know what I go give them? Backhand! Yes! Grab them here! Okay, man, give up big one. I go hustle. Come back. All this job will stress me.
Excuse me, sir. I beg no first, eh? I did not know that she's your wife. If I know, they could make me there with her.
Which person wife? Now maybe her first son.
Jesus!
Lord of Jesus.
She's just laughing.
How old are you, bro?
By next month, I'll complete 38.
Hey! I'm 27.
You know, actually, I born her before them born me.
Which way 1.2 person don't go? That girl was good for the boy.
Clap out for Jesus. Clap out for Jesus.
Bonner boy.
Mama Sawi, a papo. Now you dey. Your pikin dey there. Can't don't put the nose. They can don't close. One mama wake up your pikin. The dress. You want point 36 state shoot up and you they drink beer.
Wait. You're a breastfeeding mother.
He's a breastfeeding and a breastfeeder.
Hey!
Akara.
Jesus Christ.
What have I done?
You have done a whole lot of problem to yourself, but thank God she was exposed on time because you have to get married to her. Hey, let's see Jadrolita. She has decided to start acting comedy.
There is God.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me. Who the hell are you? I am Jadrolita. Yes, what do you want? I am here to take my place in your life. Please, don't stress me. As you can see, I'm just coming from a meeting and I'm very, very tired. So kindly excuse me. It seems as if you're forgetting who you are. I don't leave me alone. I am here to correct your footsteps. No, I don't want. Leave me.
This drunkard. So
Come. Let's activate. Don't come near me. I don't want to be a robot. I don't want to be a robot. Okay. Please let me enjoy my life. Get out. Go back to where they sent you from. I'm not doing it again. Go. Let me go. Let me go.
Are you whining yourself?
I don't wanna be a robot no more. I go nowhere. We die here. Die. Huh? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Robot speak. Robo is actually speaking Yoruba like bye-bye. Is that possible? Oh my god. Thank you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And I want to say a very big thank you to you guys that have watched this comedy till this extent. And those of you that actually swiped in the Apple. I have no other option than to say thank you. Thank you. But please make sure you turn on the post notification bell icon after you've subscribed, and also like this video, comment, share it to all your social media platforms. All right, guys, what do you think about this comedy compilation video? Is it okay? Do you love the comedy? So if you actually love the comedy, let's quickly dive into some funny scenes in this comedy compilation that you might not find funny. Let's go. Look at like, oh gosh, my heart is beating. After watching this particular one, yes, after watching this particular one, like, how can you allow your baby to go into a rich guy's house because you want to charge a phone and you think that is okay? You can't tell me, at least you don't know your babe. Say, this your babe, they choke for big things. So, and you know this guy has these big things. And you even find out that this guy now Ibanga mentor, even has Ibang picture for Palo Bagam. Immediately you see that Ibang picture, instead of you to run away, you were still there looking at people. You still slow. You still they do slow. I'm sorry for you. They are actually taking your babe from you. Ibang, now you go to chat for Ibang house. Ibang Batesa, Egonga. I beg. But he actually did what Ibang has not done before by revenging everything on the road, on the street, everywhere. So far there is space, there is spacious. This guy actually finished the whole women in that. Is it the state or community? I think it's the community. All right, guys, let's see this one. Let's see this one from Nasty Blaq. You know, there is no way I would mention one or two comedians, you know, funny scenes without talking about Nasty Blaq. We have a lot to talk about. We're actually going to brief them so that we go on time. I know some of you watch this comedy even to this extent. Some of you even watch everything from beginning to the ending. Like, I want to say thank you. Those of you that are watching me like this, let me see your comment in the comments box below so that I will know those people that is actually there for me. You know what I mean? All right, guys, let's quickly see what Nasty Blaq is up to in this comedy. What do you think Nasty Blaq is going, like, what do you think he was up to in this comedy? Like, what do you think? What do you think about this comedy? And there is a question at the end of the comedy, like, what would you do if someone treated you or treats you in this manner? A photographer. How can a photographer be helping me to grab my wife backside like this? See, if God no come down, come save me, like come touch my heart, I'll end that guy. I will see. Oh, check. Because that is annoying, is surprising, is somehow you will just be looking like this. Because you have never seen that kind of thing before. You never seen that kind of behavior from anybody before. Imagine you cannot even say hold her like this, hold her like this. You are just like doing it practically, like literally doing it in my own presence before me. That is a RAPE case. Nasty Blaq way they do gra. You know if you talk at this point in time. You know if you talk, don't sweet it pass out. All right, guys. What do you think about this particular one? Yes, this one. Like, I love it. From Dino Show God, this particular guy. Wait, if there is this kind of business, if waiter job or waitering job, or if being a waiter pays like this, please, if you have any waiter job for me, I will apply. Even as I'm doing this, I'll be also doing that. Because see money that they give now update to. Most of you see there's no update in Benin, no update in Lagos, no update in Abuja, no update in this, no update in that. There is update that you don't know. This video just actually give you some updates. Go and be doing this update. Find a girl that you will use to do this kind of update. I pray they don't catch you. Don't try it, don't try it. A waiter on a car own a house. Like, if now, what would you do? I love what Dino Shogun did. He actually just blend. He joined. He don't call even I. Just in first billing 800K. They play. Just they play. So I think I love that comedy. It's very hilarious. And this particular one is also hilarious. Ojuku. Everybody did drink as anti, anti-poison. Everybody did drink to survive, to wash away every pepper soup prepared by any ex. He reached our brother Ton Ojuku. Everybody did take fortification. He reached your turn. Oil finish. Oil finish. I feel bad for him. He was like, am I going to buy? Oh, I don't finish. But before the guy actually tried for him, they run around, making sure they get any oil. But at the end of the day, they got one bottle of oil, half bottle. But before they got there, the guy don't go. He don't go. These guys might not even have it in mind to buy all their boyfriend's friends. But because their boyfriend friends are long throat, they will join their friend to eat what that one prepare for them. You see, when you go to your friend that and you discover that he's having problem with his girlfriend, don't eat. Go home. May you no go carry what you not supposed to carry. Yes, don't eat. I won't be saying much, but before I go, let's talk about funny bros. Goliath. David, please kill Goliath. That one is even betting for the case. Like, David, you're not going to kill Goliath. I bet 1,000. And the other one also bet. Funny Bros is good, I beg. He's good. The guy is just too good. He's just too good. But at the end of the day, this stone is true for a very long time. Has not gotten to where Goliath is. After 40 years, this stone gone. Now we're in the heart, yeah? Alright guys, thank you. Without further ado, let's quickly, call it a day. We're wrapping up. You're wrapping up. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation. Stay tuned and don't touch the dial. Have a wonderful time. Peace out.